sit. Stay. We're just asking God to be, but you know, between the bones. Lord, you. But anyway.
But God showed His great love for us by sending Christ to die for us while we were still sinners. And since we have been made right in God's sight by the blood of Christ, He will certainly save us from God's condemnation.
Hey y'all. Good morning. I'm headed to work. It is sunny outside and I'm so happy about that. Guys, I left my freaking water, my tumbler. I left my water. I went to go grab a sip and it wasn't next to me. It was not next to me. So, is it dark? I don't know. So, yeah. However, I'm on my way to work. I was rushing this morning. I actually got up. Kari woke me up. I had to get a little bit of time in with her and stuff. And then my dad had to go somewhere to get some reading glasses. Had to go to CVS. So yeah, y'all see how close, like how tight this lens is? So yeah, but I'll get there before 10. That is like our standard, what you call it?
I'm hustling every
Who you suckers think you tripping with? Yes, I'm the boss. Distribution, I'm like Atlantic.
Oh yeah. Y'all broke. Yeah. Welcome to the marketing team. I'm sorry.
Yes, Pro J.
What's this?
This is my vlogging camera.
Oh, get out of here.
Let's sing it. Da da.
Hey Siri, play Pure Calm.
Okay, here's Pure Calm.
Girl, you going back in your bassinet because you playing with me. You going back.
I'm like, dang, my head hurt real bad. I'm like, what the hell?
Freak. How do I get up in this car? And I still gotta try that stuff here. my gosh. Y'all, it's literally raining and you can't even see me. Woo. OMG. Okay. Y'all, I just experienced the most ghetto thing ever. And I just take it as I'm not going to get moving boxes again because this is the second time this has happened to me. First time, I had my Hyundai and I had to leave the boxes at Home Depot because they would not fit and it was late at night. And I was just like, are you kidding me? This time, I put them in my trunk thinking, okay, I got a little, you know, little mini SUV or whatever. Still didn't fit. So I had to fold the boxes as you seen. First of all, before I even come outside, it's raining. Not only is it raining, every single thing fell out my cart. My tape, my bubble wrap, and my boxes. Luckily, this Caribbean man, I think he was Jamaican, I don't know, but he was so helpful and he didn't let me look stupid, like further looking stupid any further out in these streets. Like, it fell not on the sidewalk, y'all, in the middle of the street. A 12-count nugget, large fry, no drink.
No drink, any sauces?
Can I do Polynesian sauce with that, please?
Anything else?
And then can I do an 8-count nugget, honey mustards, 2 Polynesians, and 1 Chick-fil-A?
It'd be $18.30.
$18.30? Tap. I believe that Chick-fil-A is not as good as it used to be. Just like I feel like Starbucks be slipping. And you just gotta find a good Starbucks because they really be slipping. But Chick-fil-A just does not taste as good as it used to. But the nuggets, they're gonna do it for me every time. Hey guys, I know it's been a while, but we are literally almost done moving the stuff out. Bathroom is clear. This stuff is just gonna go. This stuff is just gonna go in my car. This is what the living room looking like. The kitchen. In there. Alright, y'all. Let's tackle this kitchen tonight.